N-Glycan analysis workflow step-by-step. So, an N-Glycan analysis workflow step-by-step begins with a clear analytical goal. Before choosing methods, researchers really need to define whether the project focuses on profiling, relative comparison, structural confirmation, or process monitoring. This first step shapes the entire N-Glycan analysis workflow, from sample preparation to data interpretation. N-Glycan analysis workflow, step-by-step sample preparation. In an N-Glycan analysis workflow step-by-step, sample preparation is where consistency begins. Proteins are typically denatured to expose glycosylation sites, followed by enzymatic release of N-glycans using tools such as PNGase F. After release, cleanup is critical to remove salts, detergents, and interfering components that can reduce analytical performance. N-Glycan analysis workflow, step-by-step labeling and separation. A well-designed N-Glycan analysis workflow step-by-step often includes glycan labeling to improve sensitivity and separation. Fluorescent tags can support chromatographic detection, while alternative preparation strategies may be used for mass spectrometry-based workflows. At this stage, method selection really depends on whether the priority is quantitation, throughput, or structural depth. N-Glycan analysis workflow, step-by-step detection and interpretation. So, next in the N-Glycan analysis workflow, step-by-step comes detection and data analysis. Techniques such as HPLC, UHPLC, fluorescence detection, and mass spectrometry help resolve glycan species and compare profile patterns. Accurate peak assignment, profile matching, and structural interpretation are really essential for turning raw analytical signals into meaningful glycan insights. Bulk Sciences N-Glycan analysis workflow support. At Bulk Sciences, we support N-Glycan analysis workflow step-by-step with glycan standards, labeling reagents, custom synthesis, and project-specific research solutions. Whether your work involves sample preparation, glycan derivatization, or analytical method development, Bulk Sciences provides flexible support to help build reliable and efficient N-Glycan analysis platforms.